All right, welcome everyone. I'm so glad you're joining me for this explainer today because we're unpacking a massive, and I mean massive, technical undertaking, creating a digital asset trading platform from the ground up. If you've ever stopped to wonder how the gears actually turn behind the slick screens of your favorite crypto apps, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down the ultimate blueprint of what makes these incredibly complex platforms tick.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because, it's one thing to just tap buy or sell on your smartphone, right? But it is an entirely different beast to actually process millions of those trades per second without a single glitch. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the invisible, high-stakes complexity that's powering the entire global crypto market.
So here's our roadmap for the breakdown today. We'll start with 1, the exchange engine room. Then 2, security and core infrastructure. 3, the cloud exchange shortcut. 4, fueling with market data. And finally, 5, the AI and Web3 future. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The Exchange Engine Room.
Building a reliable exchange starts deep in the back end. Honestly, long before a user ever even sees a login screen. And this brilliantly illustrates the core of it all, the trading engine. It is literally the heartbeat of your platform. When we talk about performance here, we're talking about ultra-high-performance engines, usually built in languages like Golang or C++. And they have one job, just one, matching buy and sell orders with microsecond latency. In the crypto world, a millisecond delay can cost traders serious real-world money. So this engine, it has to be absolutely flawless.
But the engine doesn't operate in a vacuum. Just look at this daunting 15-layer tech stack required to run a centralized platform from scratch, which was outlined by the development experts at Dapfort. You aren't just building a matching engine, right? You're building user interfaces, you're integrating blockchain nodes, setting up KYC and AML compliance systems, establishing liquidity, managing fiat payments, running 24/7 customer support, the list goes on. And add in custom DevOps, that alone is enough to keep an entire engineering team awake at 2 a.m. fixing server overloads. It's a massive barrier to entry, requiring a highly skilled team just to keep the lights on.
Which brings us to Section 2, Security and Core Infrastructure.
Because, think about it, once you build that incredible 15-layer engine, you actually have to protect it. The crypto space is notoriously high stakes. Security is the absolute foundation of a trustworthy exchange. Without it, hacks and DDoS attacks can literally destroy a business overnight. Boom, gone. Protecting user funds requires this hybrid approach of hot and cold wallet storage, backed by hardware security modules or HSMs for secure key signing. And on the network side, web application firewalls and DDoS protection from providers like Cloudflare, well, they act as the shields keeping the platform online when the inevitable targeted attacks happen.
And to make all of this run reliably, the infrastructure demands a pretty strict sequence of deployments. First up, you have to securely integrate full blockchain nodes, so you can communicate directly with networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next, you've got to establish liquidity aggregation using market maker APIs. That way your users don't face crazy price slippage. And finally, you deploy the whole shebang on global cloud DevOps, utilizing tools like Docker and Kubernetes. That ensures the platform scales up automatically when sudden market surges hit.
All right, Section 3, the cloud exchange shortcut.
If building all of that from scratch sounds completely exhausting, well, yeah, it really is. So let's contrast the two main paths for founders here. On the left, you've got the do-it-yourself open source route, using custom architecture from experts like Dapfort. Now, this gives you ultimate control, absolutely, but it requires deep technical capability, intensive coding, and heavy infrastructure management. On the right, though, you have cloud exchange options, like the white label software provided by HalaX. This is the shortcut. No coding required. Servers are completely managed for you, and you can literally go live in a fraction of the time.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how polished this shortcut actually looks in practice. By using a cloud solution like HalaX, you get these beautiful, out-of-the-box admin dashboards and professional trading interfaces totally pre-built. The UI/UX, the charting, the user management, it's all generated for you. That means founders can actually focus on, growing their business instead of spending their time debugging code. And the barrier to entry? It's surprisingly manageable. Looking at the HalaX plan tiers here, a founder can start a testing environment on the basic plan for just $700 a month. That includes managed hosting and major markets, though you do have a higher 50% revenue share on trading fees. From there, as the business naturally grows, they can scale to the Crypto Pro plan at $1,500 to add their own custom assets and eventually upgrade to the Fiat Master plan. That one opens up full banking integration and fiat currency on-ramps, so it's a very clear, staged path to growth.
Moving on to Section 4, fueling with market data.
Now, whether you choose to build your own engine from scratch or buy a cloud shortcut, an exchange engine without real-time market data is basically like a sports car without fuel. It's not going anywhere. To understand the sheer scale of data required, look no further than CoinMarketCap. Their API processes a staggering 1 billion calls monthly. Let that sink in. They're tracking over 956 centralized and decentralized exchanges and more than 38,000 distinct cryptocurrencies globally. This is the massive data pipeline pumping the lifeblood into the broader crypto economy.
This API acts as the connective tissue for an exchange. It pumps critical capabilities directly into the platform's matching engine and front-end displays. We're talking live spot and derivatives quotes, on-chain liquidity data from decentralized exchanges, real-time trending indicators, and get this, up to 16 years of historical pricing data. Your exchange relies heavily on this data to ensure the prices your users see are perfectly, instantly synced with the rest of the world.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because integrating this data actually scales right alongside your hosting. CoinMarketCap offers a frictionless, keyless API that requires zero sign-up, which is perfect if you're just prototyping and testing real responses. Then, once you're ready to build, you move to the free basic plan for personal workflows. And eventually, you can scale right up to enterprise subscriptions when your exchange requires high-volume commercial limits and that deep historical coverage we just talked about.
And finally, Section 5, the AI and Web3 future.
Launching an exchange today just isn't enough. You really have to look ahead to the 2026 landscape, where platforms must adapt or they're going to face rapid obsolescence. Industry experts pretty much all agree that the modern architecture of an exchange has to support hybrid models. We're moving toward a reality where Web3 wallets seamlessly bridge centralized exchanges with decentralized finance protocols. And furthermore, AI integration, it's becoming mandatory. Predictive AI algorithms are going to help users trade, while automated AI agents operate in the back end to manage compliance and monitor transaction security in real time.
But how do these AI agents actually get their data? Well, the answer lies in new protocols like MCP or the Model Context Protocol, offered by CoinMarketCap. So the crucial point is that MCP gives AI agents a structured, tool-friendly way to pull live market data directly. It completely eliminates the clumsy need to scrape web pages or manually wire every single API call. It basically teaches the AI how to safely and efficiently ingest these vast data sets all on its own.
And with AI taking the wheel, how we pay for data is fundamentally changing too. Enter X42. This is a cutting-edge pay-per-request access path. Instead of locking into a traditional monthly subscription, an AI agent can actually pay for supported data calls directly using USDC stablecoins. No way, right? It's a fascinating monetization model where AI integration is physically reshaping how exchange data is bought and consumed, literally machine to machine. So, we've covered the engine room, the vital security layers, those incredible cloud shortcuts, the massive data pipelines, and the AI-driven future. The sheer scale of technology available today means that launching a global financial platform is more accessible now than at any point in history. The blueprint is yours, the tools are ready and waiting. So, what will you build? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today, and as always, keep learning.